Football is a passionate game with a global following that allows fans to make money, get awards, and grow enterprises. Many football fans generate money. 30 years ago, sports card collecting was much different. Many sports enthusiasts are rediscovering it as a passion. Credible investments require long-term value and a liquid industry. Fans are finding this to be true more often now due to favorable improvements. The video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you stuck at end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. Number 5. Sport card investment. Spending money to enjoy sports is frequently required of sports fans. There aren't many ways for fans to make money from their passion, but sports card investing offers this opportunity in a far more enjoyable method. It is not difficult to imagine sports card investing being a significant asset class soon if it continues to attract interest and money. Forbes stated in March 2022 that on one day in March, Collectors Professional Sports Authenticator Division certified and graded 6,000 cards worth $1.6 billion. According to Forbes, in January 2022, Collectors obtained an additional $100 million from its current investors, raising the company's valuation to $4.3 billion, a rise of 5 times the $850 million purchase price in February 2021. Number 4. Video blogging or vlogging. Football enthusiasts with creativity and knowledge can make money through video blogging. A video blog is a blog with videos. Vlogging can have its own YouTube channel. You can invest your time and profit on many other websites besides YouTube. Number 3. Play fantasy sports. Fantasy sports can be profitable. Fantasy football and baseball participants pay significant buy-ins for competitive leagues. These leagues have huge reward pools. If you're a fantasy sports champion, join a league with a large buy-in to win big. Use your sports expertise to build a good squad and select a winning roster each week. Number 2. Writing football content. Another respectable football-related moneymaker, this one. The majority of football fans think they can since they've never read anything about football. But in the majority of cases, this assumption proves to be false. If you genuinely care about the game and have strong thoughts about it, it won't be too hard for you to produce high-quality content. Many newspapers, websites, and blogs frequently look for new writers to enlighten readers to cutting-edge game components. Many of these changes will become apparent to you with a little research, and they pay fairly well. Number 1. Bet on sports. High rollers can make money betting on sports. This is a high-risk approach to make money, so be careful not to become broke. Never bet more than you can lose. Sports betting comes in many forms. First, you can bet online, which is permitted in some states. Check out US online sports betting. Otherwise, you can only bet in certain places. Most states have casinos where you may gamble on sports. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.